You know, before I came in here, I was listening to Madonna's Vogue. Let's see if I can do it. Come on. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Skip, Try, or Buy. So today for review, I have for you the LA Pure 24 Karat Gold Eye Treatment Mask. I purchased this treatment mask, or these treatment masks, from Amazon for about $19.99. The masks come with 15 paired to a box, and they are made with 24 karat pure gold, as well as hyaluronic acid and plant collagen. So let me tell you a little bit about what made me purchase these. I have under eye hollows or bags. I'm not really 100% sure, but I know I don't like them. And I was looking for something that would help me reduce them or get rid of them altogether without having to go under the knife, or really probably the needle. But anyway, so I was looking for something that might help with that, because I've tried things like cosmetics to hide them, but it doesn't really work well. And by the end of the day, it just looks a hot mess. So here, let me show them to you. Hi, kids. Okay, so here you can see in this area here, this is the area that kind of bothers me. Again, you can see the definition here. You can see how this, I'll turn slightly to the side. You may be able to see a little bit about how I think they're bags, but again, it may be hollows. It may be a combination of the two. I'm not sure. So when I went on Amazon looking for something that might help, I found this, and it said it specifically helped with fine lines, it helped with bags, and it helped with pretty much everything, dark circles, you name it. So I wanted to give it a try. Again, the box comes with 15 pair of eye masks, and I'll show you what they look like. Oh, so the 24 karat gold is actually nano gold, and cute little fact is that nano gold is not actually gold in color. It can be red, it can be blue, it can be different colors depending on the amount in the mix. And that's about all I'm going to give you in terms of science, because you'll immediately know that I don't know what I'm talking about if I continue. Anyway, so these are the eye masks, and this is what they'll look like. And so I'm going to go ahead and try them on and show you and talk a little bit about how they feel, and then we'll see if I get any results out of it. So you can kind of see that the masks have a little bit of liquid inside of them. One thing I do, and I absolutely love this, is I actually put these in the refrigerator so that when I do go to use them, they're nice and cool and refreshing. So I keep the whole box in the refrigerator and just pull out one when I need it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the pack. You see here, I pulled the pack out. Now I will tell you, sometimes when I open the pack, a little bit of the liquid does escape and get all over everywhere, so you just want to be careful with it. It doesn't hurt anything, it's just very moisturizing. Now, one thing I have never been able to do right is when I go to pull this out, you'll see it's actually a little card in here. Every time I go to pull these out, the actual eye mask never stay in the card. You see, they don't actually stick to the card, so I usually just have to go on with my finger and pull it out. So I'm going to go in here with my finger, and I'm actually going to pull one of the masks out. So let me take off my glasses. All right, so this is the first mask I have, and I'm going to take it out, and all you do is go up and put it up under your eye like that. Now you're going to want to make sure that your eye area is clean. So now I'm going to go in here, and I'm just going to go, and I'm going to take my finger and just pull out the second actual eye mask. And they're a little slimy, but that's okay, you want them to be. And I'm going to put it on. And again, you just put it on right here under your eye. And you see I'm not looking in the mirror, so they may not be exactly perfectly even. But what I try to do is just get them as close up to my waterline, but not too close, to make sure that they're where I want them to be in those spots that I'm trying. So then we just wait. Now this is the time when I would just close my eyes and sit back and listen to a little music and just relax. Okay, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and they recommend you keep it on 15 to 20 minutes. I've also laid down and fallen asleep on them, and funny enough, they stayed on. But anyway, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to take them off. And all you have to do is go and you just peel them off very gently. And they're really good in that they don't fall apart. So then you can have a couple of options. What you can do is, because you'll feel that you still have some of the moisturizer on your face. Again, that's always a good thing. I think the least you can do for your under eye area is to keep it moisturized. Now, if you'll look at my eyes and notice, and I am going to look in the mirror now. If you look at my eyes and notice, you can still see the hollow bags. Yeah, I think that's what we'll call them, the hollow bags. The hollow bags under my eyes. So it didn't get rid of them. And before you go, hey, it's only been 20 minutes, I have to let you know this is a product that I've been using for months. So when I do reviews, I try to bring you products that I've actually been using for a while to give you a full review, not just my initial review. So this is where I tell you whether you should skip, try, or buy this product. So as I said, it really didn't do anything to get rid of my under eye hollows or my bags. However, it's very moisturizing. It feels good. It really truly feels like a spa day. And I do feel like there's a lot of, there's some firmness in here. So I do feel like that works. However, because I purchased the product basically because it said it got rid of under eye bags and dark circles, I don't really think it did that. So I'm going to give this product a try because your mileage may vary. What may not have worked for me may actually work for you. So I hope you enjoyed my review. If there are other things that you'd like me to review, please leave it down in the comments. Also, I would love it if you'd subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way, when I put out new content, you'll be notified so you can come and check out my videos. Thanks. You like my robe? Normally when I do this, I just lay down.